My name is Marcoluigi Corsi. I'm the UNICEF representative in Myanmar. I'm speaking to you today from Mandalaya, which is the second largest city of the country. What you can see around, it's basically massive destruction. Buildings, schools, hospitals, they collapsed. When I met children together with their family, I can see that they're heavily traumatized. Children and their family, they're still sleeping outside because aftershock are still continue during the day and during the night. So they don't want to go back because there is the fear of further collapse of buildings. The immediate needs for the children are indeed around water and sanitation. There is no running water in the city. There is a need for purification tablets, so that whatever water they drink is purified, but also there is also the need for them to be supported psychologically. This is a trauma for them. They have experienced really trauma during these days. And I think the fourth point to make is that the children has to be immediately traced and reunified for their family, because in such a situation the most important thing is their protection and living in a safe environment, which only the family can provide.